difficult to know what the person on the other side of that "it's a match" screen really wants. Here are 3 ways to get a worthwhile match. According to a representative from Bumble, users who make the most out of their profile can expect up to a 30% increase in matches. This means actually taking the time to build a profile worth perusing. Try asking a question that a possible match could answer. Putting in the effort to share details about yourself instead of a played-out old quote from The Office will make you stand out. Although dating has definitely been modernized in the age of apps, one constant remains. Any potential partner wants to get the impression you'll put in some effort to woo them. Instead of simply writing, "I'm laid back," which doesn't provide much to play off, try something like, "I used to work a high-stress job in finance, but I'm currently going back to school to pursue my passion for cooking." This way, you've laid out some potential talking points instead of steering the opening conversation into a dead end. Go ahead and delete your dating apps if your profile is buried in cliches like "new on here" or "just love to laugh." Don't speak in a code either. Phrases like "looking for adventure" or "seeking a partner in crime" amount to nothing in today's dating scene. Be clear about your intentions and communicate efficiently. Dating is inherently competitive. If you want to appeal to a wide group of singles, you need to give them a reason to swipe right on you. Drop a comment below with your best dating advice, and stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.